All right, everybody, this is it. This is my last box. We actually went through are you kidding me? 2 cases. It's been 2 hot cases. Purchase at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. So this is for my pal Hoopster. So, yeah. We just hit a dual top 10 auto of Dylan Bundy and Kevin Gassman. It's a nice card. So let's see what we can get here. All right, guys. John Kuchno, Silver Ice.
It's the greatest 96 Wanda of all time. You know what I mean? It ain't another pass. It's a fast pass against LSU that could decide the Heisman Trophy ballot or the NCAA.
Mike Dudig is Silver Ice.
I want you to remember that. Snaps, number of snaps, but it's the quality of every snap that we're at, right?
Next on, Gruden, UD Cam, Gino Smith.
Red Ice, nice card. James Ramsey, nice. First round draft pick. Cardinals. eBay 1 of 1. From pal Hoopster. 1 of 25. I know what you're thinking, Hoopster. I know what you're thinking. That's Mojo. What? I know you're thinking it. You can't hide from me, pal. First auto, Mitch Haniger for the Brewers. Mitch Haniger, Brewers auto, first round draft pick. All right, you got a blue refractor auto, buddy. You hit color, it's a blue. I don't know what it is. We're going to have to wait, so you'll be able to see it live. Yu Darvish, Trevor Bauer, Lex Rutledge refractor. Bryce Harper Chrome, Colby Copeland. Yes, it does influence the value. I mean, think about it. You've got so many collectors that are looking for these cards, and they want to be able to differentiate their collection from other people. So the first, the last, the jersey number, those are big deals. Probably a minimum of 10% more. Ty Hensley for the Yankees. Ty Hensley, that's not a bad name. Not bad at all. So Haniger and Hensley and the blue. Blue something something. Yes, especially high-end players. Got a blue refractor. Yu Darvish, nice. Great time to hit that too. 229 out of 250. Yu Darvish. Nice card. Very nice. Chad Carmen, blue paper. Last pack before I reveal your blue auto. Nope, no super. We got a refractor, though, of Stephen Golden. Golden ticket. All right, bud. Let's see what name it is on this blue, huh? See what name you got going on.
Any individual accolades, who cares about it? My goal is a team oriented, and the thing that hurt me the most was just losing.
All right, buddy. Good luck. Here you go.
Better situation. I got the ball in my hands on every single down, so regardless of what the defense does, it's my job to go out there and respond, and that's getting my offense to score points and being a team leader and not looking so.
Matt Smorrell. The good news is it's a nice bold auto. The bad news is it's Matt Smorrell. Wow, wow. Sorry, buddy. Still, color. You also hit the Yu Darvish. Blue. Ty Hensley. Mitch Haniger. And James Ramsey. eBay 1 of 1. Red Ice. 1 of 25. All right, bud. Good box. Good box. Wasn't a great box, but good box.